Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here. I'm talking about rack placement in your wall oven, kind of what goes where and how you can do things. So this is the ideal spacing if you're going to use all three racks. We like to say, this is kind of the best way for both medicine. We put the glide racks, with the ball bearing glides, we like to put that on the bottom rack just for general purposes if there's no specific cooking, because this can glide all the way out and we can get to whatever's on the bottom. Being that this is a wall oven, it's very accessible, but if it was in the range, it's a little bit lower, that's tougher too. So this is always going to be your standard for one rack. This I like to call the sweet spot, kind of the middle. We put another glide rack here just so we can access all points. And this, whether you have convection or you don't have convection, this is really going to be kind of the sweet spot, the best spot to put, one tray or one dish, because it's really going to receive even heat from the top and the bottom, obviously because it's in the middle. Okay. The next one is the top one, and we like to keep this one out, first and foremost for the broiler element. If you really want to broil something, brown off some toast, put that mac and cheese in there and get it browned up. These mirrored broiler elements do well. We like to broil up here too. Or if we're using this in a holiday setting, we want to use the convection, the true convection, and we want to put like biscuits up here, casseroles. We still have added space in here, so it's not wasted. 90% of the time though, everyone takes this rack out. No one uses three racks, and then we usually use this setup or something like that for everyday purposes. So you could put your roast on here and you could put something here and really still have all this room as, kind of the standard. So in rack placement, this is kind of, the tips and trade and kind of the tools that you need to really be successful and utilize your oven and its settings to max capacity. Thank you so much.